I have had the most befuddling day. For the life of me, I cannot make heads or tails of my happenings just about now. You do know this is not something I say often. Typically, if queried about my day's occurrences, the answers are simple ones. A good number of prostitutes, sir. So much beer. My fists, they're tired of punching kittens. An implementation of my newest civil mandate. Vote for me, lest you want to be thrashed. Let me explain what made today flabbergast me so. Having my week quite ruined by the poor experience with Nikola Tesla, I set off for a day of quiet campaigning. I canvassed new streets of Brooklyn, but did not deliver my campaign slogan with the typical gusto these shit people are accustomed to being shocked by. As I passed, I could scarcely work out, vote worse, you shits. Piloting my motor carriage without particular aim, I suddenly found myself stopped in traffic with numerous buggies in front of me. A fine-humored Frederick Worcester would have seized this opportunity to meet constituents and sock their horses in the face to encourage the orderly haste of traffic. As it was, I found myself next to a street vendor, hawking what he called hot dogs. I disembarked with quite the lack of luster from my motor carriage. There was a line of people waiting for their turn to purchase one of these hot dogs. Luckily, there was no line for me. Having shoved the woman at the front of the line to the side, I ordered a hot dog. The man handed me the smallest sausage I do believe I have ever seen, and 'twas inside a small roll. Suddenly gaining my confidence, I stood erect and demanded of the man, "What is this? What you call a hot dog is actually just a thin wiener? I am a stout, accomplished man of esteemed status. I do tell you, sir, I only put the thickest, heartiest tubes of meat in my mouth." A man in line behind me snickered, but I had said nothing funny. I shot him a look to quiet him and continued to the wiener monger. "You heard me. I am accustomed to only sucking down the hottest and thickest sausages. If these sausages aren't filled with hearty ingredients which supply a fine squirting surprise for me, I tell you I'm not interested." That asshole behind me chortled. Then that asshole behind me guffawed. Quite suddenly, the entire group of people broke out into raucous laughter. I didn't see the hilarity in telling this merchant to be damned, but I am running for office, and decided not to miss the opportunity to avail myself to this light-hearted group. I say, fine people, do vote Worcester this election. We shall be prosperous. Like me, the sausages you eat will practically gag you. Suck on fine meats with Worcester.